What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here today in the woods. See that we're here in the jungle? Actually, no. We're here building the track, as you guys know. A lot of you guys have DM'd me and asked me, Eddie, what's going on with this track, man? It's been like a week. You haven't updated us. I apologize. So I'm going to update you. So we changed it up a little bit. And then for my RC guys, if there's any RC guys out there, leave me some tips, tricks. Let me know. Comment down below. DM me on my Instagram. We're trying to, so we don't have really clay here. We got like, so I've noticed if I sweep it, it literally looks like clay. It hardens up good, but it gets loose quick. See this? I mean, it's pretty, I don't know if it's clay, I don't know what it is, but it's hard, it just gets loose. And I've heard sugar, somebody said sugar in the comment section, but then I've heard people tell me, no, don't put sugar. You're gonna have bugs everywhere. It's gonna stink and all this stuff, and you're not gonna like it. So then people were telling me put some grape soda. I've never heard that before. Then one guy said sprinkle some concrete. I was gonna do that. So what our goal is we're just trying to get rid of all this loose stuff. But how the track starts is you come up there like a motocross start, and you go, and you come flying down, hit this berm, boom, you double come into this corner. This is a little rollover right here. So you roll it and then double. Now you got two lines here. You can either take this inside line or the outside line. If your car's got enough cojones in it, you come and you just triple. You triple this whole thing, land there, or you jump onto the table and the table's got a little lip, jump you back off, or you come on the inside and you come from here and you double or triple, whatever you want to call it, and you go from there. Then you come around here. So usually it stopped. If you guys remember, it stopped there, it turned, it went like that, then came here. But then, you know, they had a good point when they came and said, why the heck did you stop it right there? That turn sucks and it's so tiny. I said, well, it's a good point. So they pretty much ripped all this, got rid of this, pushed all this, made this wider. So now you're gonna come around here. You hit this berm if you like, or hug the inside, and you're going to hit this, what are you building here? Double? Step up? Step up. You build a little step up here. And then you hit that. Then you're going to turn, come down. And then you hit this little step down. You come back, hit here, boom. And you come into this corner. And you do a little wheelie here. And then you hit this little, I don't know, you can jump it or roll it. Boom. And then you hit the carpet. And then you go up. And then up and over the mountain, and then you do the course again. So right now, we're still in the building process. And stay tuned, I got someone bringing me some cars to test out and try. Pretty big name in the RC world. He's sponsored, he's got all kinds of sponsorships, Associated, Reedy, all that stuff for the RC guys out there. So he should be here shortly, and he's gonna show me some of the cars he's got, because I think I want some new cars, updated cars, and we'll go from there. And this guy's got the Slash that he just bashed and destroyed. He hit that thing, which I don't even know what it is. It came with the house. Smashed this thing about 48 times. Huh?
I had the video you took in the vlog.
Oh no, we're gonna get you running this course real quick. I'll show you guys. He'll run it, he'll smash it. I don't even know what this is. Looks like an old rotor tiller. I don't know, it just sits here, so I don't know. Anybody want it? You want this antique? You can have it. Come get it. It's all free. I don't know how, we could probably drag it up with a tractor, but he hits his tire every time. So we're trying to, we'll help him and get rid of that for him. And that's about it for now. I'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the racers here. The racers are ready. So, I don't know about this. We got a new driver here. Big Vic right here. Here he goes. Here goes, come around the corner. Here's in first place. He's gonna hit the step up. Oh! What was that, dude?
I lost my car behind the wheelbarrow.
That's not good, man. Come on, hit this double. Hit it. Hit it. Here he goes, guys. Right. Oh, there you go. Here he goes with the step up. Oh! Oh! You went a little too far. A little too far. Go ahead. Punch it. We're gonna fix it. So guys, so far this is what we've got on the track, but it still needs a lot of maintenance, a lot of grooming, a lot of sweeping, a lot of water, a lot of compacting. So it's not really done. Oh, see, you almost had it. You just need traction. That's the problem.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know how much sweeping you guys plan on doing, but two-wheel drive is never going to work on this.
Yeah, it will. Two-wheel drive will work great, but the problem is we just did it. You gotta we gotta sweep it. We're gonna put some concrete. The carpet's the best.
It's not the inside.
I was dead center.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you my new car over here. So you guys know, I think I already showed you mine, my Techno, and then I got the Team Associated B5M. So we got my buddy Hicks over here. He's a Team Associated driver. He brought me some goodies. What up, Ty? Say what up to the YouTube. And I'm going to show you guys. This is truck, by the way. You guys want me to do a review on this thing? Let me know. Comment down below and I'll do a review on this bad boy. This thing's insane. Triple bypasses. But I'm not going to tell you too much about this yet. If you're interested, comment down below. But here's a couple of my options. What happened to my options?
Oh, I don't want to get them all out.
Oh yeah. I need to show them my options, guys. And this is this insane rock crawler. What is this thing?
So, what is this? It's an Enduro.
Elements Enduro.
Enduro.
Damn.
Custom cage.
All right.
But
Nice.
this is what you're here for.
I just want to see these bad boys. Look at these guys. Whew. Tyler, what is this? Explain to me with this front wing. I've never seen this before.
This is the Team Associated B6.2. It's got the front wing, and this is the Proline aluminum wing mount to give the car a little bit more downforce, gives it more steering on the track. It's got the Reedy Black Box 510R. It's got the Reedy brushless low profile servo, 5800
Damn.
battery.
And this is for you're saying clay because it's so low to the ground?
Right, well, it's just the car is set up for clay. It's more
The track's got to be like pristine.
It's set up, yeah, that's what this generation of car is leaning
Okay.
towards.
And this is two-wheel drive.
This is two-wheel drive, mid-engine with a lay-down transmission. So the transmission is actually reversed to what a standard rear-engine car would be. So this is what makes it very sensitive to the track conditions and the grip levels, is because the transmission doesn't generate grip. It actually pushes the car forward instead of pushing the grip to the back of the car. It pushes it towards the front of the car.
Yeah, because my B5M, the transmission is like up here.
Exactly, so it pushes the grip to the back of the car.
Ah, okay. And then this is the newer version.
This is the newer version of the four-wheel drive. No, this is the four-wheel drive. That's two-wheel drive. This is the B74.
And this is the one that I want.
Right. This one's set up a little bit more for the high clearance, more outdoorsy style tracks. This car is set up for, again, the lower style. It's more reliant on the higher grip tracks.
Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. So I'm going to take this one because this one, as you guys know, it's not perfect down there yet. But what we have decided to do is we're going to lay some concrete down there. So, because the main thing is there's a lot of money in these cars, a lot. And you don't want to, the worst thing is you take these cars and then you know, do this, and there's just a pile of dirt that comes out of these things. We want to get rid of all that loose dirt. So, that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned for that on how we're gonna, you know, lay the concrete and get it nice and hard, and you know, where it's you're not driving just sliding all over the place. And also for you guys asking about Eddie, cold air intake, what are you doing on this? I have decided I want to go with the Banks cold air intake on this thing. It's not out yet. I'm just waiting for them to come out. And then also you've asked me, you keep telling me about the Edge, the new Edge, yada yada. Yes. The new Edge, oh, left these switches on, better turn those off. But the new Edge is going to be coming here. This is the Edge CTS2. I don't know if you can call their first model or number 2 model, but the new one is coming, so stay tuned for that also, because I know you guys are interested in that. And then we'll go through both of them and see the difference, you know, how much of a difference it is between that one and the new version. Well, guys, I am done for the day. We did a lot of shuffling today, but I'm beat. I'm tired, so that's all I got for you guys. The track should be done here though very shortly. I'd say a couple days, and we're gonna actually physically start racing. We were gonna be done with the track, but as you guys know, we made it bigger, and now all these guys are buying all new cars. So every car that we have here is pretty much like, as you guys seen, I showed you all these cars. My cousin's, he just bought this DB10, and he just said, you know what, forget it, I'm gonna save this for the desert. I'm buying one specifically for the track, so he's buying a new car. My brother's got the Nitro that he just bought. He's buying a new car. That's my old B5M, which is this one, and they said I was cheating because I'm using the 8 scale, so these are gonna sit. So I'm buying a new car now, and this one, my other cousin's gonna use this, and Nick, Genesis Detailing, I think he's buying a new car now also. So when we actually start racing, we're all gonna have brand new cars, and well, we'll see how it does. But thank you guys for watching this video. That's all I got for today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button or click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.